नमस्कार, मैं सुनील द्विवेदी, आपका इंग्लिश मास्टर। आज इस वीडियो में कुछ पढ़ाने के बजाय आपसे कुछ अपने उन सफल विद्यार्थियों से मुलाकात कराने जा रहा हूं जिन्होंने अभी कुछ समय पहले एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि पाई है और उन्होंने अभी एयरफोर्स का फेज 1 एग्जाम क्वालिफाई किया है और बहुत ही अच्छे मार्क्स अचीव किए हैं अपने अपने सब्जेक्ट्स में। उन्होंने ये सफलता कैसे पाई, उनकी क्या स्ट्रेटजीज थी, किस तरह से उन्होंने मेहनत की और उस सफलता के बाद अब आगे का उनका जीवन कैसा होगा, आगे की उनकी प्लानिंग कैसे होगी, ये सब आपके लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी है। क्योंकि सफल होने के लिए हमें सफल व्यक्तियों की सक्सेस स्टोरी सुनना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बहुत जरूरी होता है। क्योंकि द सक्सेस स्टोरीज ऑफ दीज सक्सेसफुल पीपल गाइड अस एज ए पोल स्टार। तो मेरा इस वीडियो बनाने का सिर्फ एक ही उद्देश्य था कि आप भी जानें इन सफल विद्यार्थियों के द्वारा कि सफलता कैसे पाई जाती है। ये आपको आपके एग्जाम में, आपके टारगेट में, आपके गोल में बहुत हेल्प करेगी। तो आज वो सारे सफल स्टूडेंट्स जो अभी अभी इस बड़ी सफलता को पा चुके हैं, एक एक करके आपके सामने आएंगे एंड दे themselves will tell their own success story। और आगे उनको बुलाने से पहले मैं उन सभी विद्यार्थियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं who have achieved this big success, glorious success। और इस सफलता से उन्होंने न सिर्फ मेरा बल्कि अपने इस पूरे कानपुर शहर का सर ऊंचा कर दिया। तो आइए स्वागत करते हैं सभी सफल विद्यार्थियों का। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon. My name is Bultu Pati. I am from Kanpur, which is famous for its leather and textile industry. I am pursuing graduation second year from my PG college. Apart from my parents, I have a younger brother. Now come to my aim to become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to serve the nation, I want to join Indian Air Force. Thank you. I am here because of my sir, English sir, Sunil Deveri sir. I am in a first attempt I did not clear my Air Force exam, but in this attempt I cleared my exam because of Sunil Deveri sir in this coaching located in Kakadev, and I share my views and support and point out those students who are not clear. Don't worry and check out here once time and if one opportunity to give my sir and they select your future. Thank you. कैसा रहा भाई? ठीक था?
Good afternoon sir and my friends. I am Arjun Dubey. I hail from Kanpur, which is famous for its leather and textile industry. I completed 10+2 from UP Board in 2017 with 80% marks. My father's name is Mr. Dasankar Dubey. He is farmer. My mother's name is Mrs. Manju Dubey. He is homemaker. And I have 5 children and come to my aim to become the part of Indian Air Force. Has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to serve the nation, I want to join Indian Air Force. And English master by Sunil Dwivedi sir, which is who is a very good teacher if we see towards comparing to other teacher, because sir provides us all faculty as sir provides us DFT and sir also give tips about PFT, because only by English the whole selection process is not complete, and sir provides many tips as how to behave in GD's group discussion, and there are a lot of ideas which is given by our sir. So I want to say that talk that everyone who want to prepare for defense as Air Force, Navy and other sector also, all types of faculty available here. Thank you.
Good afternoon friends and my respectable sir Sunil Deveri sir, and telling about myself, I am Yogesh from now in UP, the city of our great freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad ji. Telling about my family, there are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother and elder sister. My family is my strength, and telling about my achievements, I can never make such a glorious achievement. but my best ability is that I can make me comfortable in any situation. And in my opinion, Sunil Dwivedi sir is the best teacher for English in our Kakadev, and he select many candidates in this. Now we know that Sunil Dwivedi sir selects many candidates from 2000 and before. And Sunil Dwivedi sir gave us for not only GD and make perfect candidate for GD. So in my opinion, Sunil Dwivedi sir is the best teacher. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Umesh Yadav. My father name is Mr. Santosh Kumar. I belong to Kanpur. I have done my intermediate from Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Kanpur. Now I am pursuing my undergraduation in BSc from CRJM University. There are 5 members in my family, including me and my 2 elder brothers. My hobbies are playing cricket, listening music and making art. My ambition is to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream and I love Air Force adventurous life. Now I am going to our coaching. My opinion is Sunil Dwivedi sir is the best teacher in our Kakadev, and he provides all the facilities to our children. He provides GD, DFT and also SRT, and we can achieve good success in this coaching class. He is the best teacher because he is very frank with our children, and we can also discuss our question with them. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Harsh Dubey and I am from Banda. I have completed my intermediate from UP Board and now I am pursuing my graduation from National University. We are 2 siblings. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading novels. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is respected and adventurous as well as to serve nation. Thank you. I am here because of Sunil Dwivedi sir. He is one of the best English mentor, and I assure you will get selection in Air Force if you join the class. And this coaching located in Kakadev, Kanpur. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Anshan. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10+2 from UP Board in 2019 and pursuing BSc in CSJM University. My father is a farmer and my mother is homemaker. We are 2 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket, planting trees, and in my free time I would love to listen to music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my life goal and also inspired by many people who are working in this field. And it offers us an adventurous life as well as a respected job in the society and gives us a chance to serve our nation. When it comes to English teacher, whereas I think Sunil Dwivedi sir is the best teacher in Kakadev. And when I joined the English classes of Sunil Dwivedi sir, I got 18.75 marks only in English, and it was the key point of my success in the written exam of Air Force. And if we talk about the GD, Sunil Dwivedi sir also conducts the GD classes, and here I am feeling much confident after joining these Sunil Dwivedi GD classes. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Pankaj. I belong to Katri. My father name is Ramakant Dwivedi and he is a doctor. My mother name is Sasi Dwivedi and she is a housewife. I have completed my intermediate exam from SGM Medical College with 88% marks, and I have pursued BSc second year. And I have one elder brother and one younger sister. My elder brother is preparing a 6th exam, and my hobby is play the game and ride the bike. And I want to join Indian Air Force. Actually, I am standing here to inform you what is the importance of English. Actually, if you want to speak English, then you have to a lot of the confidence. And English master give you lots of the confidence, and Sunil sir give you lots of the motivation that you can speak English. Actually, when you go any institute and if you want to any job, then you have to speak English. And because of the speak English, you can better skills, and you have a lot of mindset, and you have the confidence to face any of the difficulty in your life. Then if you want to speak English, then you have to join English master and make a dream come true in your life. So thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Vaibhav Kumar. I belong to district Etah. My father name is Sanjeev Kumar, who is a farmer. My mother name is Srimati Usha Devi, who is a housewife. Currently I am pursuing BSc second year from Kanpur University. My hobby is to playing cricket and come on board to become the part of Indian Air Force has been dream of my life since childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to service nation. Today we are going to discuss about his English classes. The Sunil Dwivedi sir is one of the most popular teacher in the Kakatiyo, and with the help of I cleared my Air Force exams, and the aspirants who are want to prepare for defense exams, they also come and give one opportunity to sir for their sir. There are so many students who every year selected from this coaching. In my opinion, this is in the Kakatiyo, this is the best coaching. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Mrs. Sharma. I belong to Sikandra Kanpur Dehat. I completed intermediate exam from MD Mitra College with 83%. Now I am pursuing BSc from CSGMU University. They are all members in my family. My father and my mother and my one elder sister. I want to join Indian Force because it is my ambition, and I also want to serve my country. I am here to tell about my sir. In my opinion, my sir is very best teacher in Kakatiyo. He makes the student zero to hero in English.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shivam. I am from Kanpur. I have done my 10+2 from UP board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CSJ University Kanpur. There are 4 members in my family, and my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My aim to join Indian Air Force, and my hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. I am here to tell about myself, which is famous for English, and he is teaching me since for 6 months, and he is the best teacher in the Kakatiyo. And I have studied in the English master since 6 months, and I have cleared Air Force examinations with the first attempt, and I have scored 18 marks in the English. So Sunil Dwivedi sir is the best teacher in the Kakatiyo.
Good afternoon to all. I am Adil Saxena. I am done my class from Jami Baraing. I am pursuing BSc second year from DBS College Kanpur. There are 4 family members in my family. My father is a worker, my mother is a homemaker, I have a brother. As far as my address is concerned, I belong to Kanpur. I am amiable, is my good strength. In my free time, I solve this is all about for me. And now I tried to English master sir, because in my first attempt I am not qualifying my written exam, and then I am very depressed, and my friend suggested to me to go to English master by Sunil Dwivedi sir, join, and then I finally joined, and I qualified my written exam with 14 marks, and finally I am very confident and not agitated by through our GD, and this is very good classes for Kakatiyo.
Good afternoon friends, my name is Nilesh Kumar. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and in my education I have completed intermediate from UP board, and now I am pursuing education, and my hobbies are playing cricket and listening music, and I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides me many opportunity and advantages like friends, it is all about me. Friends, when I come to Kanpur in the first time, I am very weak in English. And after joining our English master Sunil Dwivedi classes, he is very intelligent and very cooperative teacher. He also provides DFT, SRT and PFT tips to the students. Okay, thanks.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Rajendra. I belong to Kanpur. Kanpur is famous. Kanpur is famous for leather and textile industry. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed my job in 2018 and get 78% mark from. So in this time I am pursuing the subject class. I am shaping University in Kanpur. My hobby is playing cricket, my friends in my parents. I want to join Indian Air Force without any passion. I want to serve my nation as a soldier and serve my parents as well. So now today I will discuss about Sunil Dwivedi classes, English classes. Sunil Dwivedi is the best teacher of English, and he always ready to help needy and poor people. And he behave as a friend, so it is very good.
Good afternoon, my teachers and all my friends. Now, my name is Vivek Kumar. I am from Kanpur, which is famous for leather and textile industry. Now, if I talk about my family, there are 5 members in my family: my father, mother, and I have 2 siblings. Now, if I talk about my qualification, now I am pursuing BSc second year class CSJMU. I have completed 12th from UP board with 76% mark in 2019. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my and my parents' dream to accomplish his dream, and I think it is the best way to serve our motherland. I want to say about my respected teacher Sunil Trivedi sir. When I started the GT classes, I feel weak in English spoken, but now I feel confident and strongest in English. This coaching is located in Kakadu near Commission Gustav. So I want to say you strongest the GT, then you came in try to read Sunil Trivedi classes.
Good afternoon, sir, and my friends. My name is Amit Dua. I belong to part of Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have attended plus 2 from Bharat College. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CSJM University. We are 2 siblings. My father name is Ram Kushwaha, who is a private worker. My mother name is Sapna Kushwaha, who is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket. I would like to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream and also it inspired by my friend who is in this field. Now I want to say about my English teacher sir, who is Sunil Trivedi sir. He is the best teacher in Kanpur. Their coaching is located in Kamleswaram guest house, and I want to suggest to my friends who want to secure their future in defense sector and who are preparing for defense and who feel that difficulties in English speaking and English written test, and I want to suggest that please join the coaching of our English teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, and good afternoon my respectable teacher. I am Sachin Bajpayee from Kanpur. I am an extrovert boy. I did my schooling from DP Inter College and I have done 10+2 from BPIC Inter College. Now I am pursuing BSc Agriculture from Rama University. As far as my hobby is concerned, my hobby is playing cricket and reading short stories. And if you talk about my strong points are loyalty and punctuality. And the aim of my life is, and I want to be join Indian Air Force. That's all about me. If you talk about my Sunil Trivedi sir, I say thank you sir, because my clearing of first phase in Indian Air Force, in last time I didn't clear my first phase, but now in Raga portion I got a 15 marks out of 30, but in English portion I got a 17 marks out of 20. So that marks proves the quality of Sunil sir. If you want to clear the defense exam like Navy and Air Force, please visit that coaching. Their coaching name is English Master, and he always teaches us believe in yourself, because you are more capable than you think, and you are more talented than you know, and you are more braver than you imagine. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected sir, my friends. I am Kushal Kumar. I am from Kanpur. I have done my 10+2 from JNR Vidyamandira Inter College. I am pursuing my graduation from HBTU Kanpur with BTech, and now I would like to say about that this coaching class which was run by Sunil Trivedi sir is excellent, and I think sir's behavior is gentle and kind, and they also help the poor and needy people. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. I am Dharmesh Singh. I am from Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I completed the intermediate in 2018 with 83% marks. Now I am pursuing my graduation from Rajasthan University. There are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother, and elder brother. And come to my end, I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to join Indian Air Force because I like its selection process, which is based upon merit. After 3 attempts in Indian Air Force, I am not selected in Indian Air Force. One day my friend said that if you really want to join Indian Air Force, then you should join English Master Sir coaching. After seeing my friend, I joined English Master Sir coaching, and in fourth attempt in Indian Air Force, I am selected in Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Good morning friends, and my respected sir. My name is Akshay Kushwaha. I belong to Kana in Kanpur, Bihar. I have completed my 10+2 from UP board, and I am pursuing my graduation from Kanpur University. There are 5 members in my family: my father, my brother, my mother, and my sisters. My hobby is reading newspaper. Friends, I believe in God because God helps them, those who help themselves. And Sunil Deveti sir is the best teacher for English and GD preparation. This coaching is provided to Kakadev Kanpur. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishay and I am from Kanpur and I have done my 12th and now I am pursuing BA from CSJM University. And if I talk about my family, there are 5 members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. And I would like to take photographs in my free time. That's all about me. Now I tell you where I prepared and qualify my Air Force exam. I qualified my Air Force exam in 2 times. In that time, I gave 18 numbers and I adapted only 18 questions and totally I have gained. So if you want to prepare yourself well and you want to become an Air Force, so you come to Kakadev. If you have anywhere, so you come to Kakadev and Kamleswaram guest house, nearby Kamleswaram guest house, Chapeda Pulia. The English master sir by the Sunil Deveti sir is a very good sir in my opinion. Before I coming that my confidence level is very low, and after that you are seeing me, I totally prepared for the GD. And if you want to prepare yourself best, then you come to the Kakadev and gain a lots of knowledges about the English. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself is Sunil Deveti, your English master. And finally I want to congratulate all my students who have got such glorious success, and my best wishes for their bright future. Thank you.